Hey, welcome to Oneriff Ppkb. So this channel, someone sends me a riff, I write a full song based off that one riff, just based on the vibe, the tone, could be anything. I'm a decent guitarist, but I can't guarantee I'm going to be able to play everything. I don't know, I'll try and do something with it. Either way, thanks for popping in. This is my second take to do my first video because the first one was filming my beard. Being my first video, I got my friend Stu to send me a song. Let's have a listen. Super ambient, super big. I think his vibe was just put as much delay and effect on it just to make it sound like wall of sound. I learned the riff the other day. So once I learned that riff, I went ahead and I started tracking it down. We put the drums together, got the structure of the song together. So what I'm going to do now is actually retrack some of the guitars and get that in line. I really wanted to get them tight and perfect. My mate Stu's a great writer. His riff was sick. Let's do it. I'm using my Reverend Telly. I love this thing. Just beautiful guitar, nice and easy. I actually haven't changed the strings for a while, so it's probably going to sound pretty muddy. It's got a floating bridge. Messes the whole thing, you know. But here we go. Okay, I'm pretty satisfied with that take. Pretty clean. Alright, so the chorus, I just want to add something that's going to thicken it up a bit, make it a bit smoother. So far it's pretty cool, but I just want something that's just going to beef that up. That's nice. Oh! That's a big boy. Cool. Oh, almost lost that clean guitar? No. Just a big bang. Alright. So we might just track. I've gotten down a lot of the guitars. I just wanted to get a few bits of the bass because I know there's few parts that I'm just not really happy with. I'd really like to fix them up. Song's sounding really cool. I'm pretty happy at the moment. I've heard worse. Cool, let's do it open. This had some issues. Stick around. I'll be doing a reveal for Stu. I don't know, he'll probably just go, "Cool, man, that was good." I don't know. It'll probably be terrible. Who knows? Who knows? Vocals, I'm usually a screamer, and if it sucks, it sucks, and I can use melody. Alright, we get levels. He's doing his things. It's big. It's a big song. Pretty happy. Pretty happy. Hey man, how you going?
Kev, how we doing, man?
Yeah, good. It's been a while. Thanks for that riff. It worked. I've got a whole thing going. You want to check it out?
Yeah, man, I can't wait. I mean, I'm pretty excited to see what you've done. It should be a pretty fun song, I think. Before we get started, dude, I mean, really like your hair.
Thanks.
Good.
Alright. Thanks, dude. It's, hey.
I mean, it's a look.
Alright. Well, I hope you enjoy your song. Here's your song.
Let's do it.
top of the hill, at the top of the hill, you can't take them all, repeats in your head, as you heard the call, drowning man, to the nightmares of the stars. You gave me faith that there was good in the world, and I miss you so. We speak too much, will the avalanche cover us, bury us alive, like the flood buries the heart. I hope you survive, but I don't wanna make it out. At the top of the hill, at the top of the hill, you can take it back, you take it back, with all the good that you've done, son, you built the wall. Would you take it back? If you could take it back, then although those ghosts continue to haunt, you were meant for more. Will the nightmares ever stop? Losing faith with all the God in the world. I miss you. We speak too much, will the avalanche cover us, bury us alive, like the flood buries the heart. I hope you survive, but I don't wanna make it out. No, you can take it down, but you will never be happy. We speak too much, will the avalanche cover us, bury us alive, like the flood buries the heart. I hope you survive, but I don't wanna make it out.
Alright, man, so what did you think? Hey, dude. Stu, you there?
Oh, hey.